Hello everybody, today we're going to be making red EMT conduit and we are going to be using some things. So this is going to help keep the pole in place. I already did one for the sake of time, but I'm going to put this one in the ground. I got to be careful with my sprinkler stuff though. This is definitely not where it is, so we're just going to try to get that in the ground. Not working too well. We got ourselves a ham or a mallet here, so we'll use that. Here we go, we're going to pound this in a little bit here. Whoop. I think I need to hold it, so I'll be back. So we got it kind of done. It's really sideways, but the ground is still frozen because of winter, so we'll try it. Okay. So when I'm finished with this one, just like I'm doing with this one, we're gonna let it dry. It's a little chilly out, so hopefully it dries just fine, but we'll see. Okay, so I started spray painting. I wasn't hitting the record button, my bad. So that will be it for today. We spray painted it, and then there'll be another video of installing it. So so be on the lookout for that. Should be posted in the next couple days. But anyways, that'll be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment if you want. Always love when I receive comments. I love to reply to them, and I love to just see your comments because it's amazing. Anyways, have an amazing day. See you guys later. Bye.